Crypto billionaire 69 back with another daily in-depth technical analysis. Semi-daily in-depth technical analysis. Hit that subscribe button for technical analysis videos. I just woke up. These are the first words that I'm saying of the entire day. So good morning, my friends. Have not made a video in a couple days, and I've been thinking about this channel and a lot of things going on right now personally. If you're interested in that, stick to the end of the video. But for now, let's get straight into this technical analysis. We are retracing and holding above these $45,000 levels, just like we wanted to see. We want to see. Okay. Great sign here. Dogelon Mars is also doing the same. Now, moving into the future, this is what we want to see in order for Dogelon Mars to be the most bullish. Okay. So currently, if it can hold above these 10 levels, it doesn't look like it most likely will, but if we could hold above these 10 levels and then this next green candle come and push higher than these 1040s, that would be very nice and bullish. And actually, if we could break this downward trend line there and here, it's not the most accurate trend line, but you kind of get the point. If we can break through these, this is way more accurate. If we can break through these horizontal resistances right there, 1070s, 11s, really 11 levels, that'll be very bullish. Now you can see we're approaching a double bottom, so it's critical right now that we start showing some buying pressure and moving this higher. All right, so if everything goes as planned, we should be above these 1020 levels within the next 2 hours, 4 hours, because this green candle should see a lot of buying pressure, just like this one, push higher. Boom. Very important. Very important. If not, we're most likely going to head back down to these 930s. If we break through this right now, okay, we will most likely be heading back down, especially to here, and maybe even here. Bada bing, bada boom. That is what we're looking at for the day. To sum it up, we want to see a push higher than these 1020 levels within the next 4 hours. And if we don't, if we don't see that push, we will be heading back down to these 971s, and we might be heading back down to these 930s. Cool. We are looking very nice in the charts. We have seen some major buying pressure lately, as Bitcoin has also been spiking. We've seen a little spike in volume. Nothing too crazy yet. We want to see something like this, and we will see something like this in the near future as we continue to spike higher. So, hodl strong, have patience, don't get emotional, and yeah, my friends, on to the personal stuff. So, as you guys know, if you've been watching this channel, I run a separate YouTube channel, and this crypto stuff, I just started it for fun, right? I just started it to log my own trades, and it almost feels as though sometimes I put too much pressure on myself to make these videos, and it affects my other YouTube channel. It affects my other business, okay? So that being said, I love doing this crypto stuff, and I wish I could do both. I really genuinely wish I could run both of these YouTube channels at once. But I can't the way I want to. For example, if I were to run them both the same, that means I'd be waking up at 4 a.m., working until 10 on crypto, live streaming for you guys, making you guys videos, doing everything like that, right? and then that means from 10. Then I need to film for the rest of the day and then edit at nighttime. But that means I'll have no social life. So, and it will lower the quality of my other decisions. So I've been thinking a lot lately, and I'm not gonna stop these videos. I'm definitely not stopping these videos because I really genuinely love updating you guys, and I love crypto. It's my passion. But I am going to put this channel on the back burner, and not give it a priority over my other YouTube channel. If you guys are curious what that other YouTube channel is, I will type it in right now. This is my other YouTube channel, right? And I'm really I am going to focus hard now, hard on this one. Because it takes around 8 hours to edit a good video here. And I want to come out with like a video a week. But we got to film for 6 hours each day, right? So just have you guys ever heard the saying, like, you can do everything you want in life, but you have to do it one at a time? You know, I've really been contemplating how can I focus on crypto to like help you guys out the most, along with focus on this, and it's just physically impossible for me. It really is. So I'm going to start focusing on this. If I want to make crypto videos, I will make them. Crypto videos aren't going to stop, but I might, like, let's say there's nothing going on in the markets. It's just simple like this. I'm not going to keep doing these daily updates. I will do updates and like, whenever I see major things happening in the markets, I will post videos. Pretty much whenever I want to post, I'll post. I've been putting an expectation on myself to post once or twice a day, and it's really just been stressing me the frick out, okay? So, that being said, I'm not stopping, but I am going to only post when I feel like posting, and when all of my other YouTube video stuff is taken care of. That being said, the Patreon, I will still be updating you guys. I'll be updating you guys on when, like, okay, nothing is changing on the Patreon side of things other than the daily updates, okay? Now, if we're in a consolidation like this, the daily updates, right? A daily update really doesn't matter, okay? If we're nearing a bottom, I'll shoot out an update and be like, all right, we need to see this. If this happens, it's confirmation, right? I will still be issuing buy and sell alerts. So nothing much is changing in the Patreon, but for the videos, that's what. Yeah, I'm just gonna post when I want to post. That being said, crypto being a 69, we're gonna make a lot of money in these markets. Gonna take a little bit of time, but that's okay. I'm excited. I'm very excited. For this trip to Bali, once these charts take off, all of us in the Patreon are, not all of us, but those who want to go are gonna take a little trip to Bali, go skydiving over the water and stuff. Once these charts take off, and it's gonna be a beautiful thing, man. Beautiful. We can vlog that for the other YouTube channel. That'd be dope. Crypto Billionaire 69. Shoot me a text, 850-376-0889. Might take me a day or two to get back to you, just because I'm focusing hard on this other YouTube channel, but I will get back to you. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.